Next shape tool is rectangle. Just click and drag. Okay, it's create a rectangle. If you want to create a square, press shift key and click and drag. It's always creating a square. And these are two creation method, edge or center. If you choose edge creation method, first point is freeze and the opposite direction point is scale like this. And if you choose center, rectangle grow from the center like this. And these are other parameters in the modification section. You can change width or length. And the third parameter is for the roundness of these corners. You can make round points. Next shape is ellipse. Ellipse basically a circle. By pressing Ctrl key, you can create a perfect circle, or without Ctrl key, it's created oval. In the modification section, these are two parameters for modification this shape, length and width. Okay, and if you want to make this circle, so copy this length and paste in the width section and press enter. Okay. And there is another parameter outline. By clicking on this outline checkbox, thickness, you can change the thickness and make a offset circle in inside and or outside. 3ds Max also has this type shape, and you can create this shape by using this donut. Okay. So you can create by using any way, radius inside or outside. So we have thickness parameter, and we can create the same shape by using the circle. And the next shape is star. Click and drag, and then provide the raise radius. Go to modify section and then change the radius 1. It's for outside. Radius 2. It's for inside. And you can also change the point number like this. And if you want to make some more changes, choose the distortion like this, and you can provide the roundness for these range like this. Next shape is helix. It's like a string. Click and drag, define a radius, and then provide height, and then provide the second radius. Okay. Now eject from this tool. Okay, it's like this. Go to modify tab and change radius 1. Okay. Make sure the radius 1 or radius 2 is equal, so we can create a spring like shape. And the height I increase or decrease like this, and these are turn. You can increase the turn and it's look like. And the last parameter is bias. You can change the distribution of these springs. Okay, increase on the start point or end point like this. And by using these radio button, you can change the turn direction. It's clockwise or counterclockwise like this. And next shape is section. So it's like this, a rectangle, and these are 4 crossing lines. Shapes also has some other parameters. If you select any shape and go to modify tab and expand this rendering tab. So these first two options convert any spline into a 3D object. Check both parameters. Okay, it's look like this, and increase the radius. These are two different shapes. First is radial and second is rectangular. So it's look like a thick spring. Okay, you can create shocker spring by using this. And the second shape is rectangular. by using this, you can create a different type of shapes. So these parameters are available for every shape. If you select this star, expand this rendering on the checkbox and increase the thickness. Okay, like this. So by using this, create a fabrication shape and convert them into 3D. So it's very easy for creating railings or grills, fabrication purposes. Create a freeform shape like this, or if you want to convert this shape to a wire, you can convert by using these options, radial or increase the thickness like this. So rendering parameter is very important. In this class, we cover the creation method of shape, and in the next class, we cover more spline modeling tools.